Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 7. Here it is a figure given and you have to find the value of find x plus y plus z. That means you have to find the value of x, y and z. Let's find from the figure. Here you see that this is a linear pair, that is z plus 30 is 180 degree, and this is also a linear pair, that is x plus 90 is also 180 degree, right? You have to find this value first, right? Let us find the value. This is the solution of question number A. Here from the figure we find that from the figure from the figure here you see that is z plus 30 is equal to linear pair, right? We are finding that z plus 30 degree, right? Here z plus 30 degree, z plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree, because this is a linear pair. This is a linear pair. This is a linear pair. Now find the value of z, or it can be written as z is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. 180 degree minus 30 degree. Therefore, the value of z is equal to 150 degree. The value of z is 150 degree, right? Now, if we find this one, x plus 90. Again, you can write from the figure that x plus 90 degree is also equal to 180 degree. This is also a linear pair. This is also a linear pair. Therefore, we are getting the value of x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So here we are finding the value of x is equal to 90 degree. Value of x is equal to 90 degree, right? And here you see this is the interior angles 30 and 90, and this is the exterior angle y, right? That is, the y is equal to sum of the interior angles. We know that the exterior angle is the sum of the interior angles, right? Opposite sum of the interior angles. Therefore, you can write that y is equal to 30 degree plus 90 degree. That means the exterior angle, because the exterior angle of a triangle, the exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the interior opposite angle, sum of the interior opposite angle, right? Therefore, we are getting y is equal to 90 plus 30, that is 120 degree, right? Now we find the value of x as 90, y is 120, and z is 150. If we add the value, we'll find the value of x, y, and z. Here we'll find the value of x plus y plus z. The value of x is equal to 90 degree plus the value of y is 120 degree and the value of z is equal to 150 degree. That is 90 degree plus 150 degree plus 150 degree. If we add all what you're getting, you see that is 90 degree, 120 degree and 150 degree. That is 0. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 5 16, carry 1, it is 6, 1 2 3, 360 degree. The value of x plus y plus z is equal to 360 degree. Right? Here y is equal to 30 plus 90. You can find in another way also. That we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That it can be written again as here also. In this way you can find this, the value of y. You have to find this angle. After that y plus this is 180 degree, and you will find the value of y also. Or you can use this theorem that the exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the interior opposite angle. That is y is equal to 30 plus 90 degree. This will be easy, right? Or you can find the value of this angle first, because we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. From that you will find the value of this one, and y plus this is equal to 180. There is a linear pair, and you will find the value of y also in that method also. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.